Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on a Reno 14F. So you have to start by opening your power menu and then select power off. And when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see a logo on your screen. And here you have to use volume buttons to select your language and then press power button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.